MercyOne Genesis 2-minute drill is underway. Alongside Dr. Krei, I'm Jay Kidwell. And Dr. Krei, with younger athletes playing sports year-round, what are some of the common injuries you might be running into?
Yeah, in young athletes, you typically see growth plate injuries. So you're looking at things like apophysitis that comes across the plate quite often. It's considered a weak point in young athletes, and that is where you see the injuries.
What are the most common types of apophysitis?
In my clinic, we see a lot of knee, heel, elbow, shoulder, but really you can see it anywhere there's a growth plate.
What are the risk factors?
Risk factors for growth plate injuries, obviously any type of trauma, but you can have it with overuse injury, and that's really when you see like inflammation of the growth plate. And so things like people who play year-round sport who don't take appropriate rest or follow their pitch counts or start to notice pain and just kind of ignore it.
What are some of the symptoms?
Symptoms you'll have, again, not usually associated with an injury, usually just gradual pain that starts specifically with activity, and then it can progress to, oh, I have pain 90 minutes after injury, or in severe cases, pain that might wake you from sleep.
How's it diagnosed?
You can do it clinically, so just based on history and physical exam. Often get x-rays on people so you can see it on x-ray, and then if we're still not sure in the clinic, we'll go ahead and get that MRI.
What are the common treatments for apophysitis?
Apophysitis is treated with rest and getting them off that injury. Typically, depends on where it's at, how long you need to rest, but then we work them back through physical therapy.
Any ways to prevent apophysitis?
Yeah, making sure you're listening to your pitch counts, rest time, just making sure we're listening to our body and taking appropriate rest and precautions.
Fantastic, great information. Dr. Krei, thank you very much.
Thank you.
This MercyOne Genesis 2-minute drill will be posted on ourquadcities.com. Check out the medical tab.